Namaste friends, welcome to Study nASHa.
As UPSC pre is over, so we have decided to start free answer writing practice.
We will also review your answers freely if you are interested. Firstly, we will discuss how to write a good answer and the common mistakes which I have observed while reviewing many copies. So for writing a good answer, सबसे पहले जो सबसे important चीज है ना, that is to understand the question. If we are able to decode the question rightly ना, then we will definitely be able to fetch good marks. But अगर हमने क्वेश्चन ही डिकोड गलत किया ना, no matter हम कितना अच्छा कंटेंट दें, we will not be able to fetch good marks.
We need to understand the demand of question, what is asked in the question. It is asked to analyze the question or critically analyze the question, discuss the question or something else.
So after decoding the question, the most important thing that is structuring of the question. As we have limited space and time, so structuring of answer becomes very important. एक जो मैंने common mistake observe की है while reviewing many answer वो ये है कि students अच्छे से structuring नहीं करते हैं answer की. Then what happened ना, first part तो वो बहुत अच्छे से बहुत सारा content और बहुत सारे points में लिख देते हैं, लेकिन सेकेंड पार्ट के लिए फिर स्पेस ही नहीं बचता है, उसके बाद यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू फेच गुड मार्क्स. इसलिए स्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ आंसर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So now let's discuss about how to write a good introduction. For a good answer, it is very important to have a good intro because a good intro gives an insight of your answer to examiner and also reflect your understanding of the topic. Now the question arises, what should be the length of the introduction? So it depends upon the marks. Try to keep your intro short, not writing more than 3 to 4 lines. Now let's talk about what should be the content of intro. When you will decode the question, you will understand what is the theme of the question. So in intro, you can write definitions, some data, some reports, some current news, or some historical background about the theme.
Do not write wrong information, facts or data in the introduction because it will give wrong impression to the examiner. And do not write very long introduction.
The another common mistake that I have noticed in many answers, that is students are not giving enough space between main body and the intro part. Actually that is very important to highlight the transition. Now let's discuss about the main body. In main body it is very important to write the heading because when you write the heading now, it highlights the transition between intro and the main body. Here in main body, for better structuring of the answer, we can divide heading into subheading. For example, if the question is about socio-economic factor, so what we will do, we will write the social factor separately and economical factor separately. Always remember, for a good answer, quality and quantity both matter. So, for quantity, इतना भी नहीं लिखना है कि वर्ड लिमिट ही ब्रीच हो जाए और ना ही इतना कम लिखना है कि एग्जामिनर कॉपी देखकर ही समझ जाए कि हाँ इसके तो मार्क्स काटने ही है. सो इन मेन बॉडी do write data, reports, good examples to enrich your content.
To write a good answer, it is very important to add dimensions in your answer. Dimensions like economical, historical, political, environmental, etc.
And for good presentation, do highlight the key terms. And second most important thing, if you can draw some figures, map, that will be very good for your answer. After addressing the core demand of the question, you can mention challenges, way forward as per the demand of the question and also as per the marks allotted. Write way forward in points to highlight the differentiation between the conclusion and way forward part. Sometimes when you don't have enough space for writing way forwards, then you can write a suggestive conclusion. After way forward, simply write conclusion in a paragraph form. Do not start with headings like conclusion, way forward can be. or any other heading because it is self-understood that this is a conclusion part. Also, do not write more than 3-4 lines in conclusion part. In conclusion, it would be good if you could connect your conclusion with some legacy or some government goals like minimum government, maximum governance, सबका साथ सबका विकास, Viksit Bharat, or some international goals like Sustainable Development Goals, etc. I hope this video will help you to understand how to start writing a good answer.
There are still many things left which we need to discuss. All these things we will understand in a better way with writing answer in the next video. You can also send us your answer for reviews. We will review your answer without charging any money.